In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account for gift cards or gift certificates in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're using gift cards as a way to encourage sales or handle customer rewards, setting up an appropriate account in QuickBooks is essential to keep your finances tidy and accurate. So let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, we'll want to begin by navigating to the Transactions section, which you'll find on the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you click on Transactions, you'll see an option called Chart of Accounts, which is where we'll be focusing our efforts initially. Chart of Accounts is essentially a complete list of all the accounts in your accounting system, which includes assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. We'll be adding a new account here specifically for tracking your gift cards or gift certificates. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the option labeled New Account. This is where we'll set up the details for managing your gift cards. First, let's give this new account a clear and descriptive name, something that indicates the purpose of the account, such as gift card or gift certificate account. This will help you easily identify it later on. Now, we need to select the appropriate account type and detail type for our new entry. You should select Other Current Liabilities. It's crucial to choose this because gift cards represent a liability for your business. They are prepaid credits which your customers have yet to spend. Therefore, you need to track these as liabilities. Next, you'll want to add the amount linked with your gift card liability. You will enter the total amount of the gift cards that have been issued but not yet redeemed. This ensures that your books accurately reflect what you owe to customers who hold these gift cards. After you've entered the necessary details, click Save and Close to finish setting up the account. And there you have it. Your gift card account is now set up in QuickBooks Online. Now, a quick note about what to do when a gift card is used. Whenever a customer redeems a gift card, you'll need to create a journal entry. Under this section, you'll enter the appropriate gift card account and the amount being redeemed. Make sure you also note what the gift card was spent on. This will decrease the liability on your books and appropriately categorize the revenue. And that's all there is to it. By setting up this account, you ensure that your business is using best practices for tracking both liability and revenue associated with gift cards or certificates. Keep your QuickBooks organized, and you'll have a clearer picture of your business's financial health.